Should an accident occur, the state in which it happens has the duty to inform the state of registry, the state of the operator, the state of design, the state of manufacture, ICAO if the aircraft involved has a maximum takeoff mass greater than 2,250 kilograms. When notified of an accident, the state of registry will as soon as possible provide the state of occurrence with any relevant information regarding the aircraft and flight crew concerned. It will also nominate any accredited representatives to the investigative team. If the accident is not known to the state of occurrence, perhaps the crash site is in a remote area, the state of registry will inform the relevant parties, the state of occurrence, the state of the operator, the state of design, the state of manufacture, the ICAO if the aircraft involved has a maximum takeoff mass greater than 2,250 kilograms. The manufacturers or designers will assist any investigation as much as possible, providing all available information regarding the aircraft. The state of occurrence is to instigate any accident investigation. Should the accident occur in a non-contracting state, then the state of registry will instigate the investigation. So, the state of registry, state of operator, state of design, and state of manufacture are all entitled to attend the accident investigation. Similarly, the parent state of any casualties is entitled to be represented, along with any state providing information, facilities, or experts. When the accident concerns an aircraft whose maximum takeoff mass is greater than 2,250 kilograms, then the state conducting the investigation is to copy the report to the state of registry, the state of the operator, the state of design, the state of manufacture, any state provided information, facilities, or experts, ICAO, any state whose citizens suffered fatalities or injuries. International dissemination of the report into an accident to an aircraft with a maximum takeoff mass greater than 5,700 kilograms may be made by ICAO. To give you an idea of some of those incidents that might be considered to be examples of a serious incident, we have produced a short list shown here. Near collisions requiring the initiation of an avoidance maneuver. Controlled flight into terrain only marginally avoided. Aborted takeoffs on a closed or engaged runway. Takeoff from a closed or engaged runway with marginal separation from obstacles. Landings or attempted landings on a closed or engaged runway. Fires or smoke inside the aircraft. Gross failures to achieve predictive performance during takeoff or climb. Events requiring the emergency use of oxygen. Aircraft structural failures or engine disintegrations. Multiple system malfunctions affecting aircraft operation. Flight crew incapacitation in flight. A fuel emergency, takeoff or landing incidents. Undershooting or overrunning, operations outside the flight envelope. Or system failures that cause difficulties controlling the aircraft. Failures in more than one system in a redundancy system. Mandatory for flight guidance and navigation. That concludes the lessons on aircraft accident and incident.